As SRC members, we work to bring teachers close to students. So like we take problems from students, go give them to the staff room in order to guide it, or we tell them we want them to do for us or how they can improve our learning. Firstly, the first issue that we had was that this winter it was really very cold, so we wanted the students to come to school at around 7 o'clock instead of half six, because any half six it is way too cold and it's better at 7. So we took this issue to the staff room and then they agreed with us. Second issue that we handled was the issue of sports. There were no sports, as you know, during COVID-19 the sports were closed, and so we talked about sports with our staff members, and before the school closed at end of term 1 we played sports games.